Hi guys, today we will talk about how to request account info or on your WhatsApp app, or we'll go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your WhatsApp app. All you have to do, just go up here, you click here on this sign here on app, then it's going to show for you a window like this, and you just click here on settings, then it's going to take you here to your profile, and you just click here on account, then it's going to take you here in this window, you just click here on request account info, then you click here I sent request is sent from me, so it's going to show for you and first it's don't go to show for you like this, so just click and it's going to show for you like this here when you request sent on your WhatsApp app. Thank you for your watching, so I wish know you I get it, that's all. So just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.